Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the MooSoo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Ooh, it is a really special device. It has an handheld stick. It has a suction power up to 18 kilopascal. It is a cleaner machine for carpet floor, carpet, hair, rechargeable. It is. It has LED lights at the front, and it's really quiet. This is the most quiet vacuum cleaner I ever had before. So far, with 1.2 liter of dust compartment, retractable tube cleaning tools, and the name is K17U, energy class 1 A+. This is awesome. It is powerful but quiet, with upgraded 250 watt brushless engine. The MooSoo carpet vacuum cleaner can reach 18 kilopascal suction in maximum mode, which ensures a powerful ability to pick up dust, debris, hair, etc. in a minute. In addition to the max mode, it also provides an ordinary mode of 7 kilopascal. You can freely choose one of them depending on your need. No worry about excessive noise. Whoa, whichever mode is chosen will bring you a quiet cleaning experience. This is right. I will give you a noise example at the end of the video. Get rid of Cumbersome vacuum cleaner. It can have a pet hair vacuum cleaning thing. It weighs only 2.5 kilogram. This is really lightweight, I think. It is so light that with only one press it can be used as a handheld vacuum cleaner, which is very convenient to clean stairs, sofas, furniture, and carpets, especially for old guys, women, or ill persons, or if you like to have a lightweight vacuum cleaner for your own, it's no problem. You do not have to be old or ill for it to do this, because we are going to use this too. And I'm not so old. Oh, I'm fresh 25 years old. Yeah! I'm kidding a little bit. But especially, this is a really awesome device. You can really easily clean your area in silence and step by step. You never need to drag power cord behind you. You never have to worry about power cord is too short. And never worry about tripping over by the power cord itself, because it is battery powered. This is really awesome. It becomes so easier with it. With the built-in independent motor, the LED turbine electric floor brush can pick up surface debris and deep dirt on various types of floors and carpets without replacing the brush roller itself. There is a self-protection function. It is the floor brush in and angled due to hair of foreign objects. The cordless vacuum will automatically stop working after removing the hair or the foreign objects. By included hair cleaning tool, it can be back in action easily. And you have in the battery pack 6 times 2200 mAh lithium batteries. This provides super enough power for cleaning. The rechargeable vacuum cleaner can run for 30 minutes at 7 kilopascal and 12 minutes at 18 kilopascal. This is enough for cleaning, really. The battery can be removed, so it can be charged directly instead of taking the vacuum cleaner to a charging point. If you need longer running time, but weary of waiting for charging, just purchase a spare battery separately. Job's done. That it is. And it's really awesome to use and easy to clean. And you have so many different types of options to use this. 4-stage fully sealed filter and high density HEPA can capture 99.99% of particulates as smaller than 0.1 micronanometers. 1.2 liters dust compartment cap as well as entire filter can be removed and cleaned separately. And it's really easy. You can see in this video how to perform this cleaning action. You have a 250 watt brushless motor included. It provides 18 kilopascal power suction to meet every cleaning demands. It performs well on floor types, hardwood floors, carpet floors, marble floors, and tile floors, and so many more. 18,000 turns digital motor is built in, and you have outstanding running time. 22,000 microampere hour lithium battery that provides 4.5 hours charging time, and the maximum mode will give you 12 minutes, the standard mode 30 minutes, and 4-stage filtration system. First step is the cycling technology itself, then the stainless steel filter, then the sponge filtration, and on top is a HEPA filtration. And the two filters, HEPA and sponge and stainless steel, you can be cleaned by your own at home. It's no problem. You can also buy them to renew them, of course, no problem, okay? And it's really ultra quiet with 72 decibel. This is not so much. The latest brushless motor technology makes the service life of this vacuum cleaner 4 times that of ordinary brushed motors, while provides continuously and strong 18 kilopascal suction in maximum mode, thanks to large suction and its LED turbine motorized floor brush, dust debris and hair can be dealt with well, providing you with a clean environment. There are 4 LED indicator lights in the front. 3 of them gradually turn off as the power decreases. The remaining one is gear indicator light, which is red in maximum mode and blue in ordinary mode. The remaining power is clear at a glaze for timely charging. You have a 250 watt power, 2.5 kilogram item weight, 1.2 liter of dust cap, 30 or 12 minutes running time, 4.5 hours of charging time, and it has less than 72 decibel sound level, and 4 LED indicator lights on the front side. And of course, the suction power 7 or 18 kilopascal. And I like it very much. Clean without dead ends. 4 front LED lights illuminate every dark corner. What's more, LED turbine motorized floor brush that is able to rotate 270 degrees horizontally, and metal tube that can tilt 90 degrees in both directions. Make sure you easily clean hard to reach corners without kneeing or squatting. Enjoy the easy cleaning experience there. Like the main head, make sure that you can easily clean from high places to floor, no matter as stick or handed vacuum cleaner, while the metal tube is designed to be adjustable 3.7 to 4.65 feet. Whoa, so that it can not only meet cleaning needs of different height scenes, but also to save space. You see, the package is really small and compact, and you will get the main head, a retractable metal tube, nice quality really, LED turbine motorized floor brush, a round brush, and one long flat nozzle, a hair cleaning tool, a battery pack, and a power adapter, and of course a wall bracket and a user manual. But you can also look this video till the end, and you know how to clean and how to vacuum with this device. You have a long battery life and a quick charging option. 6 times of 2,200 milliamp hours lithium batteries pack provides continuously working time up to 30 minutes and 12 minutes in speed mode. The charging time is just 4.5 hours. Only one charging will get enough power to clean your house. And easily empty. 1.2 liters of dust compartment. It's so easy. Only go over the trash bin. Open the gates of this dust compartment and let drain out the dust. No problem. The capacity is almost 3 times that of ordinary cordless vacuum cleaners out there. No longer frequently you waste time on emptying. Only one press, it can be emptied. Easy. And removable and washable filters. The dust cap and the anti-filters can be cleaned by your own. But attention, the filters should be regularly cleaned to maintain strong suction. And of course it's easy to store. The vacuum cleaner is supplied with wall bracket. After using the vacuum cleaner and its accessories can be easily hanged on a wall to save the space. These are all positive things. And the bad thing on it is the good suction power, of course. But also, the device is so quiet. It's so nice. It's really nice. You baby can sleep in the next room and you can vacuum the other room. No problem. I promise. So that it is. The MooSoo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Handheld stick, 18 kilopascal cleaner machine for carpet floor, carpet hair, rechargeable, and light. Quiet with 1.2 liters of dust compartment, retractable tube, cleaning tools, and the name is K17U. And energy class A+. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And now, hear this silent machine. Soon. Wow.